Hi there! Halloween is almost here, and what better time to break out your Bonson Kitchen air fryer and make up some ghoulishly delicious treats for your Halloween party or gathering. Now today I'm going to be making an all-time favorite that is super easy to make in your air fryer, devil chicken wings. These wings are a healthy alternative to deep fried wings or wings cooked in tons of butter and fat, and they taste absolutely fantastic. Super crispy, juicy, and sure to please everyone. Now, to make this super easy recipe, all you're going to need are your wings cleaned and dried. I've cleaned them here and dried them with a paper towel. Your favorite buffalo wing sauce. You can either melt butter and add hot sauce to make your own. I prefer this one by Baby Ray's. I like to mix mild and hot together for the perfect amount of heat. You're going to need cooking spray to spray the inside of your basket, and of course celery and some dressing to garnish. And that's it. You're going to be amazed at how easy it is to make wings that would rival any restaurant with your Bonson air fryer. Now, you can salt the wings first ahead of time if you prefer. I don't actually need the extra sodium, so I just skip that step. So the first thing you're going to do is spray the inside of your air basket, and you're going to place the wings in the fryer so they're not touching. If necessary to fit, you can line up the drumettes standing upright along the sides. Set the air fryer to 360 degrees, cook for 12 minutes. Then flip the wings with tongs, cook for another 12 minutes. Flip the wings again, increase the heat to 390 degrees, and cook until the outsides are extra crispy, about 5 minutes more. Flip again and cook for 5 minutes more. That's it. So let's get started. I'll see you on the other side. And the very last step, my chicken wings are all cooked. I've heated my sauce for 1 minute in the microwave. And then I'm just gonna toss my wings, and they're ready to serve. So here they are, the devil wings. We've got our cut up celery and ranch dressing on the side. Perfect for your next Halloween party. And now the fun part, the taste test. What do you guys think? Are they good? Super crispy, so easy to make. Just head over to Bonson Kitchen today, get your air fryer, get your Halloween invites in the mail, and oh, don't forget your costume, even though they didn't wear one. Don't forget your costume. Remember, Bonson air fryer, can't go wrong.